everybody.
I'm Daniel.
Hi, Julian.
Ready for our trip.
Hello everybody! Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! We are ready to prepare our Italian crostata.
Italian crostata, jam tart. Ingredients for the pastry: pasta frolla, 3 cups all-purpose flour, cup of sugar, 1 cup of unsalted butter, cold in cube. One large egg. One egg yolk. One teaspoon of baking powder. Prepare the dough. In a large bowl, mix flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Add the cold butter and rub it into the flour with your fingers until the mixture resembles breadcrumbs.
This is our Italian crostata.
This is our Italian crostata with Hanzelet cream.
Enjoy!
Prepare the dough. In a large bowl, mix flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Add the cold butter and rub it into the flour with your fingers until the mixture resembles breadcrumbs. Add eggs. Add the egg and an egg yolk. Mix until a dough forms. Do not overwork it. Chill. Wrap the dough in plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. Roll out the dough. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Roll out about 2/3 of the dough on a floured surface and place it into a greased 9-inch tart pan. Trim the edges. Add the filling. Spread the jam evenly over the base. Make the lattice. Roll out the remaining dough and cut it into strips. Arrange them in a lattice pattern over the jam. Bake for 30 to 40 minutes or until golden brown. Cool and serve. Let the crostata cool and completely before slicing. Dust with powdered sugar if desired.